Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more right here with a 12-volt, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 29,698 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. You have truck info with your gauge view, tire pressure, digital speedometer, and engine info. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. If you go here, you do also have access to your heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. Above that, you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, and your auto start stop shutoff. And you have a premium B&O Sound System, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats. And then moving to the left, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and your Pro Trailer backup controller, as well as a little cubby there. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Down below, you have this compartment with two USBs and some space inside. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Drive mode selector down here for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode. And then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, including another 12-volt. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.